This 2019 K-Z Durango Gold 366 FBT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6, water heater, spare tire kit, slide-out, auxiliary battery, TV, leveling jacks, refrigerator, air conditioning, DVD player, microwave, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 K-Z Durango Gold 366 FBT is 11,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.